fangirl Tally, and it's time for another music video request. This is Aurora, Nature Boy. So let's do this.
There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They said he wandered very far, very far.
This feels like an EditorHubby request.
Land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise.
Has a very Lord of the Rings feel to it, doesn't it? Is that a cello or a bass? Either way, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Then one day,
Her voice is amazing. I mean, and very unique.
a
You don't
lucky
hear a
day
voice like
he
that a lot.
passed my way. Then we spoke of many things, fools and kings. Then he said to me, the greatest thing you ever learn is to love and be loved in return.
That's true. It's so hauntingly beautiful, isn't it? Got a very... Her voice even has that haunting feel to it. That was lovely. It was absolutely lovely. What did you guys think? Comment below. Let me know. What should I check out next? I love hearing your requests. As always, please remember to hit that like button. If you're not already a fellow fan geek, please subscribe to our channel. And remember to hit that notification bell with your notifications turned on so that you know every time we drop a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.